Hello, friends. Are you ready for an unforgettable holiday where every detail is thought out to the smallest detail? Today, we will tell you about a hotel that has been completely renovated for the sun season, which will become your perfect holiday retreat. We will talk about Paloma Grida, a place where luxury meets comfort and nature merges with modern design. And yes, at the end of the video, you will find a nice bonus, an exclusive discount promo code. Stay with us to find out all the most interesting things. Paloma Grida is not just a hotel, it is a whole philosophy of relaxation. Situated in picturesque Belek, just 700 meters from the city center, it offers the perfect combination of privacy and accessibility. Antalya Airport is only 35 kilometers away, so the road will not take much time. But what makes Paloma Grida truly unique? Firstly, its concept. The hotel is being completely renovated for the summer of 2025, while maintaining its original charm. Lush gardens, exquisite design, and attention to detail create an atmosphere that will win your heart. For those looking for a secluded getaway, the hotel offers Homepa Lake Suites, adults-only suites with direct access to the pool and private terraces. This is the perfect place for a romantic escape or a luxury holiday. Beach lovers will appreciate the cabanas on the private beach. Privacy, gorgeous sea views, and comfort. What could be better? And if you are traveling with children, the Paloma Grida Water Park will be a real paradise for young guests. 5 exciting slides, a children's aqua tower, and a water spray area. There will be no boredom. And while the children are having fun, you can enjoy the moment in the Spa and Wellness Center, where each treatment is a journey to the harmony of body and spirit. Gourmets will appreciate the latest concept of food and drinks. The hotel's restaurants offer dishes from organic products grown on its own farm. This is not just food, this is a real feast of taste. For active guests, there is Palomotion, a program that inspires movement and a healthy lifestyle. And if you have come for business purposes, spacious conference rooms with natural light will be the perfect place for meetings and negotiations. And now the best part. Our viewers have an exclusive promo code MAG25, which gives a special discount on booking. Just enter the code when placing an order on the hotel website. Hurry to take advantage of the offer before May 12, 2025, because the discount is valid for stays from April 1st to November 8, 2025. Don't miss your chance to become part of this unique experience. Paloma Grida is waiting for you to give you unforgettable emotions and the vacation of your dreams. Follow the link in the description. Book your room with the promo code MAG25 and get ready for a vacation that will be remembered for a lifetime. And to stay up to date with new reviews and exclusive offers, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share this video with your friends. Your activity helps us make even more interesting content for you. See you at Paloma Grida.